It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2017 GMC Sierra 2500HD SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power door locks, power windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with cup holders, and you'll notice this truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the integrated trailer brake controller, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, WeatherTech all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior with red stitching, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and a heated steering wheel button. To the right, we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using those arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider button, power sunroof buttons, interior light buttons, and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. The hard buttons for our radio and media options below, a CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, hill descent control, the exhaust brake, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. No slip matting, dual cup holders, and on top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Sierra, we have black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have the integrated turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, chrome door handles, all-terrain badging down the side, running boards down below, remote start, the rear window slider, a hard tonneau cover, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Next, I'll open up the tailgate here. In the box of the truck, we've got cargo hooks and a spray-in box liner. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has a power plug-in and 2 storage compartments, all-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. And we're also able to raise these rear seats up with ease for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2017 GMC Sierra 2500HD SLT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.